let's be honest. We all want to save money.
Absolutely.
Yeah. It's like I I like spending money on experiences. I like spending money that's going to come back with memories. Moving ain't one of them. So, yeah,
Yeah.
let's just put it out there. You know, that's yeah, I'm a bargain hunter. But I got to tell you guys, there are times where you don't want to step over a dollar to save to pick up a dime. My grandmama used to say that all the time. And what I mean by that is, and we talked alluded to this a little bit in the last video, when you're looking at who's going to help you with this process, don't always go with the cheapest option. You know, Dave and I both have horror stories about where people's stuff may not have shown up where it was supposed to show up, or it wasn't showing up in the right condition, or they did damage to a house or something like that. And the company, well, I don't even know if that was really a licensed company, to be honest, that we talked about last time.
It didn't sound like one.
No. Mm-mm. But you want to make sure that you're doing everything the way you're supposed to. We will show you how to smartly save money. I mean, Dave is not going to put you into a product that is going to cost you like 5 points, like some companies will. Um, he's going to put you in products that are going to save you money each month on your mortgage without costing you a fortune up front. I'm going to give you the options on companies to use that will help you accomplish what you want to do without breaking the bank. But again, are either going to save you time or save you money. And,
Absolutely.
and let's be honest, guys, money is time, or time is money. Yeah.
Sure. Yep.
And again, you're not getting by with beer and pizza for your movers again, unless they're your kids and their friends, which that is a good idea, though.
Absolutely. I was just thinking that's a really good one.
Yeah. Let them do the heavy lifting. Although, please make sure they're over 21 before you serve them beer. Disclaimers out there. But again, the whole time we've been talking about the process, it comes down to your budget, your time, and using the right people so that your stuff is protected, you're protected, and that we can get you through this process without chaos and going broke.
Amen.
Yeah. So again, ask me who I used. I will happily tell you. Ask me who some of my clients used. I will happily tell you. We'll never tell you not to use someone. But again, I got stories. And they're good. So, all right, let's start saving money, get the process started, and eliminate the chaos. All right, till next time.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.